In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can assign different roles within your organization. There are basically 3 ways we can accomplish this, and it really depends on your organization. For many of you, you may be an organization with one administrator and no other builders. Maybe you want to just invite instructors. So I'm going to go ahead and address this in this tutorial. So right now I created a fictitious company and I am the administrator. So as an administrator, you're going to have this tab up here that only administrators will see. And I'm going to click on Admin and click on Users. This will show me all those people that belong to my organization. Since I'm a new organization, I only have 2 people within my organization. So the first way we can change the role of a user is simply click on their name. And you'll see my fictitious employee here is a student, but I'm going to change them to a builder. This way they can actually build games or content as a builder. Now you'll notice after each of the names here, for example, after builder, you'll see that I actually have 10 licenses available as a builder. And we have organizations that have 10, 15, 20 different builders. Or I can just assign them as an instructor. An instructor license allows people to play sessions, but not create content. So there are different levels. If you have any questions about licensing, feel free to contact us. So I'm going to go ahead and change this particular employee to a builder. And once I'm done, I'm going to update. By the way, you'll notice these are all color-coded. And that's how it's going to show up in the users. Click Update. I go up to Users. And you'll now notice that that status has been changed to a builder. The other way to do this is simply send a link out to anybody you want to invite. So for example, I want to go ahead and invite 4 employees to be builders. So I just simply click on Invite User. So I still have 9 available. If I click on this, I'm going to get a link. And I can simply just copy this link and send it to those I want to invite to be at that level. Also keep in mind, if you want to invite students, you can do the same thing here as well. But you're going to have to click on a different button. And again, simply just copy that link and you can send it out. The last way to do this is more manual, but it's very doable, and that is Add User. And this is pretty self-explanatory. Click on Add User. You just need to enter their email address and password, confirm it, and you at least need a name and last name. By default, they will be set up as a student, but if you want to change that level, you simply just click on a different option that you have available. And then hit Update when you're done. That's it. Very simple, very straightforward. If you have any questions about licensing or any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next training more engaging. Take care.